Alright guys, welcome to the third video in this series. In this video we're going to go over exactly what we're going to be building. We're going to go over some pretty cool concepts with Laravel, some of the stuff that makes Laravel awesome. There are a few things that normally we would do with JavaScript that we are going to do with just Laravel, like form validation and things like that. Again, this is a Laravel course, so we're going to try to keep it Laravel focused. And I will mention the areas where you might want to look into some JavaScript solution for something that we're trying to accomplish with Laravel. That said, what are we going to build? So we're going to build a fictional site called Electromart. This is an electronics mart. It's similar to a Craigslist, but with a subscription model because I wanted to demonstrate the Stripe subscriptions. So you're going to have categories for computers, TVs, cell phones, and you're going to be able to create listings within these categories. As a user, you're going to be able to look at pricing, so there will be a pricing and subscription model to sign up to be able to post on the site. So over here you have pricing and packages. We're just going to keep it real simple with Bootstrap 4. We're not going to use anything crazy. So there's the packages. You pick a package up to 3 listings, 10 listings, and unlimited. I will show you how to sign up for Stripe, set up the subscription IDs within your database so that it knows what you're even asking Stripe to do. A user can sign up with a package. Here's the sign up screen. They can change their plan. We're going to implement Stripe Elements, which is the card that you see here, card number. It's their newest version of creating your own checkout flow. So you enter the card details, you pay, and then here you end up in here's what your account would look like. You'll have all of your listings where you can edit, delete, create, and then your settings and billing. Over here you've got create a listing. I just wrote down the fields since we'll already be using Bootstrap. We can put those fields in later, but we'll create a listing. So I'll show you how to set up the database and the eloquent models to hold your listings. I'll show you how to upload a photo. Over here you've got your billing settings, so I'll show you with Stripe how to make sure that a user is active, whether they're canceled, past due, and then be able to show you, what to do if you're going to upgrade your account or cancel a subscription, how you interact with the Stripe API to do that. And then you've got your individual listing page here. The last thing that I'll probably demonstrate is how to send emails with Laravel, which is awesome. It integrates with some really cool mail providers. But yeah, so I'm going to go over that. And then overall, it's just going to be a great primer for getting into Laravel and creating something that has CRUD functionality, create, reuse, update, delete, and some interacting with a library, an external library, which would be Stripe in this case. So there's a lot of good primer in this to get you just really off to the races with Laravel and being able to build anything that you want.